Hi everyone, I hope you're doing great on the course and you're making good progress and having fun implementing and testing and trying the strategies and techniques that you are learning. I'm going to do a short introduction on problem definition in learning design or problem finding. The previous time we spoke, we did look at the idea of the problem and the solution spaces and how we actually develop a solution being focused on the problem. And when I'm saying focus on the problem, I don't mean that you are obsessed by the problem in a negative sense, but looking at the problem in the way that can help you move forward towards the solution. One aspect of the problem, of course, a big aspect of the problem or the opportunities or the challenge is the learner, your user. There are other challenges like budget. There are other things that will determine or form or shape the solution. Available technology, for example, the course, the level of the course, the field of study, the availability of lecturers, the campus situation, the list can go on. In this exercise, you're going to be focusing on the learner as the user, taking the persona forward. So it is important to not skip over this very important process or step in the process, defining the problem, finding the problem, properly understanding the problem in order to move forward towards a solution. So really important that if you had 60 minutes to solve a problem, spending 55 minutes defining it and 5 minutes solving it will be more productive than skimming over the problem and struggling to find a solution for a problem which you have not properly framed or understood. Now let's look at quite a simple common object, the umbrella. The umbrella is a light, small, portable, usually circular cover for protection from rain or sun, consisting of a fabric held on a collapsible frame of thin ribs radiating from the top of a carrying stick or handle. I think that's quite a complete description of a solution to a particular problem. So that as the solution, what would you say is the problem that that solution is solving or has solved? Think about that for a minute. And thinking about that problem, do you think it's a good solution to the problem? So the umbrella, is it a good solution to the problem that it was meant to solve? What? To keep you dry when it's raining, to keep your head dry, to keep your clothes dry. What else? To protect you from the wind, the sun. I think we focus here on the wintertime umbrella. Okay, so if not, what is it not sufficiently solving? What aspects of the problem is the solution not sufficiently solving? And how would the redefinition of the problem change the design? Now, to demonstrate this, I want to show you a short video of another kind of solution to the same or similar problem, but with the problem perhaps being differently understood.
Hi, I am Janan. I am the inventor of Casbrella. I am a professional engineer. Once I see a design problem, it becomes a thorn in my side and I need to find a solution to it. I was sitting at my mother-in-law's house and she walked in with a dripping umbrella and complaining about her floors getting wet. This is something fundamentally wrong with the existing umbrella design. And many other problems that I discovered once I started thinking about this problem with existing umbrellas. It is in our nature as human beings to improve things. But when I see something wrong in design, I have to work and try to find a solution to it. I sat down and listed the problems that I could see with the existing design. When you walk to your car, You are having to close the umbrella first before you can open the door to get in, exposing yourself to the rain, and you getting in your car with a wet, soggy umbrella, having to handle the wet side of the canopy, dripping water on the floor, opening the umbrella and closing the umbrella in confined spaces. Edison has said it, there's a way to do things better, find it. I believe, as far as umbrellas are concerned, I found a solution. This faulty umbrella design has been with us for 3,000 years, and I think we can do better. And who doesn't want better?
Introducing the Casbrella. The genius of Casbrella lies in how incredibly different the mechanics are from the traditional umbrella, yet still looks identical to it. Without changing the aesthetics of the common umbrella, the Casbrella has been professionally engineered from years of research and design to create a reversed way of thinking. The Casbrella is the world's first reverse folding umbrella that works.
We have got a fully working prototype. We have got the manufacturing process initiated now. I have got a very strong team of people around me. We are ready to go. My ambition now is make the Casbrella totally replace the existing umbrella design.
From this short video, you might have gathered that there are problems or part of the problem or aspects of the problem that are not addressed by the traditional umbrella and that the designer of the Casbrella has sought. For example, how to negotiate a wet umbrella. Why must it be dripping? What happens to the water? How does it open and close when you in a confined space, etc. So that the reverse patent or concept is a result of a particular different kind of understanding of the problem. So you can now see how by seeing the problem differently can lead to different kinds of solutions. I wish you well. I hope you have a wonderful session, and I'm looking forward to follow your progress.